Hello everyone, this is Larry with Larry the Computer Guy. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, and we specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So in today's vlog, I'm going to talk to you a little about what's happening out there in the world. The first thing up is Firefox is going to allow users to export their password into plain text files. First of all, do not save passwords into a browser. Use a password manager like LastPass or RoboForm or one of the many other ones. The issue is, with Firefox doing this, it's just going to make it easier for hackers to get your passwords. We can get your whole password list that's saved in a browser in a matter of a few seconds. So this will even make it quicker, plus it'll allow them to gather this information remotely versus having to be logged into your computer. The next thing is, there's a lot of ransomware going on. The city of Knoxville was recently ransomed, and this ransomware shut down their entire network. Computers on the Knoxville network were encrypted overnight. It affected the courts. The attack was caught by their fire department. Boy, it sure seems like their IT department was found sleeping, doesn't it? See, it's not a matter of if anymore, it's a matter of when. Another breaking news story is that there's an Italian company was exposed as a front for malware operations. CloudEye is believed to have made more than $500,000 selling its binary cryptor to malware gangs. This software was created to protect intellectual networks from the abuse of hackers, and it appears they sold out to hackers. Other breaches going on currently. Honda Motor Company was recently had ransomware. The Kentucky Employee Health Plan database was accessed illegally. AT Engineering Aeronautics contractor had ransomware. You see, while the world is worrying about the riots and COVID-19, the hackers are stepping up and are ready to take advantage. So you need to protect yourself. You must really pay attention to what you're doing both on the web and off. When we are distracted, it is easy to do the wrong thing or click on the wrong thing. If you're not sure if you're protected or not, or to what extent you are opening your business to these hackers, please give us a call. We will give you an entirely free, no obligation network and home network analysis. You cannot correct an issue when you don't know about it. The cybersecurity world is changing rapidly, and you need someone that is on your side. Please contact us if you would like to get this free analysis. There is no obligation. Please stay safe out there.